Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to activate blue light filter on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you should go to display, and now you will notice blue light filter tab. So if you truly want to reduce eye strain by limiting the amount of blue light emitted by the screen, just tap on this switcher. And that's it. As you can see, now it's active, now it's on, so you can use your phone, use your Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus with blue light filter active, and you can switch it off the same way, smoothly, by tapping here. If you would like to schedule blue light filter, just click on the left edge of this tab, and here you can pick turn on as scheduled, and you can select some rule. So you can pick either from sunset to sunrise, or you can pick custom schedule and just select the hours between which your eye comfort mode should be active. So for example, once it's active, every day between 9 and 6 a.m. next day, blue light filter would be active. And actually that would be all, but you can also have a quick access to this mode, to the eye comfort mode through the upper bar, smoothly slide it down, and then locate and open blue light filter. Just click here, and as you can see, now it's active, the display color has been changed, and then you can switch it off the same way. And here, as you can see, you can also personalize the colors, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. It's up to you, whichever you prefer. So that would be all. So you can activate, use and personalize eye comfort mode and blue light filter on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.